Mr. President, I'm Mau. I walked out of my graduation today at Caloocan Elementary School to submit a petition at the office of Sangguniang Panlungsod versus a kagawad of our town, Barangay Caloocan. I will be praying and walking 14 kilometers with my Ate Camille. See, I am a Redeemer kid. I have 28 brothers and sisters at Redeemer Homeless Mission, a Christian non-profit dedicated to lifting homeless children and families. I have been here since the beginning of this mission in Manila at the Papuri Popsicle Shop in East Camias, Quezon City, where we sheltered 72 homeless clients on March 22-28, 2020. I was 6 years old then. I was in every feeding. I have seen this ministry grow to what it is today. I have taught over 35 children how to read. We have fed, clothed, and bring people to the hospital when they are sick. We raise money to make sure the kids have milk and diaper. And we help kids get their birth certificates. We've done 43 of them already. We also raise money and help families build homes, replace roofing and walls after a storm. There are 4 mothers here, including mine, Mama Michelle. They help us cook, laundry, do our homework, and we have created our own version of the Lord's family, lifting each other up in seasons of life. In the last year, you have been at the forefront of EDCOM 1, the first Congressional Commission on Education, encouraging kids like me to read. May I share to you my experience in the mission field, on the ground with the poor people. Kids like me love to read, and we would do it every day if given the opportunity. One of my sisters, Ivy, loves to read, but on her way home from school on November 17, 2022, and on February 14, 2022,